Hi there. Welcome back to InfoMinutes. This video is about how to save Reels or Instagram post into gallery in just one click. Before going to video, if you are watching my channel first time, then support us by tapping the subscribe button. Okay, let's get into the video. India's decision to ban TikTok and 58 other Chinese apps has opened up new opportunities. So Instagram has launched its short video platform, Reels, for Indian TikTok users. Reels is similar to TikTok and allows users to create 15 seconds video with popular songs, trends, or challenges. To save the videos from Reels, we have to download the Fastsave app. It is available in Google Play Store. There are many apps available in Play Store to save Instagram posts. But this app have significant feature that we can save the post by just copying the URL, so I prefer this app. This app is only 4 MB in size. And it has inbuilt viewer and editor. Its UI is also simple. We can also repost the downloaded post using this app. But the main thing is that it contains ad. Once you installed, open it. The tutorial shows that how to use this app. Tap the Fastsave service button. That's it. Now we can leave this app. It will run in the background. Okay, let's see how to save the Reels videos. Open the Reels in Instagram. Not only Reels videos, we can also save the Instagram posts by using the Fastsave app. Copy the link of the video which you want to save by tapping the 3 dots. Once you copied the link, the Fastsave will automatically download the video in the best quality. Okay, that's it. Let's check the video saved in phone storage or not. Yeah, it is here. Okay, that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like the video, then share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Tap the notification bell to get notification for new video update. Bye bye. See you in next video. Thank you.